Okay, welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing a sign for the outside. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby. They did have it discounted. I got it, as you can see, around Valentine's Day. Never used it, so I decided to use it for my fall sign. And I'm going to go over with a couple of coats of my white Waverly chalk paint that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sorry, I got it from Walmart. So I will put it in my description below to let you know where I got it from. And then I got this nice wax brush from Amazon. I did see one of the crafters, and I think it's White Sparrow. Luke 12 and 6 is her site. And this is where I got the idea. I saw her using this wax brush. So I decided to order me one from Amazon. So I have actually I have two because I got the large one. It came in a set of two, a small and a large one. So here I'm just going down the line where I got to remove some excess paint that I got. And but as I say, this is the white Waverly chalk paint that I got. So I'm going to dry it up a little bit, and I might have to touch it up some, but like I said, it's going to be for my outside. And I don't know, do anybody, I do see a lot of people dressing up their I always call it dress up decorate your outside porch for the fall. I just love a lot of the outside decor ideas that I've seen people doing for their, the outside. I do have a few things out on my front. I need to add more, and I'll be doing that later. And I would do a little tour like I usually do when the fall is over. Then before it ends, I do a little tour. So I'm just gonna go back over it with a little more. I did order more. As you can see, I'm getting to the bottom of my Waverly White, but I did order some chalk paint from Amazon. So I'm just gonna go over it a little bit more, and in some spots here, and give myself a little bit more coating here is what I'm looking for. So I would do that and add my fall sign, where I printed it out from my Cricut machine. Letters for fall. And my heat gun, which I've had it quite a while, and I will have that in my description below. I ordered that from Amazon as well. And I will later also add, which I did not, I lost footage on my bow making. I have the easy bow maker that I did add my flowers, but I lost footage on some certain parts of this video here, and I'm sorry about that. And this is the finishing of my fall board. I painted my wood leaf. I added my letters, and I also added my bow. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to jump into my second video. Okay, and these are some wood trays that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I got my stain. It's a red. I got it for something else and decided I would just use it for this, and it's the wood stain. It gets a little messy for me. I really like the stain with a cloth, and I was using a brush, and it was just a complete mess. But I do get it to the colors that I wanted. And so yeah, like I said, it's a dark red, and I had gotten it for something else, which I didn't use it quite this dark on my other project that I did. I did a board for one of my shelves, and but I didn't get it this dark at all. But anyway, you can do it. It's better to me if you do it with a cloth, and you have a little bit more control over the lightness and the darkness of your project. But it did turn out okay. So I do stain them and glue them together with hot glue and with wood glue. And I got this stain from Home Depot. So I'm just going to use the stain here. I do remove some of it with a wet wipe, like a baby wipe. I will remove some of it, and then I get it to the color I like, and I'm going to glue them together and make them like a shelf, which you can use year round. You can add more to it. Right now I just have the 4 left. So I'm trying to use, I've gotten so many things. So you ever go back in your stash and decide I need to use some of what I already have, and that's where I'm at here. So those was just sitting on my shelf, so I decided, well, you know what, let me just use what I have. So I would do that, and just trying to get it stained to suit me. And and then, like I said, this is for the fall. And if you decide, even like at Christmas time, if I want to remove my fall decor and add Christmas items to this, I can do that as well. So I think it came out cute. And eventually I think when I'm in the Dollar Tree, if they have more, I will pick them up and just add a few more shelves to it where I can add more things that I would like for this. So I'm just going to finish the boards, finish it up, and then I'll add whatever I need to, my little fall decors to this. And I do like the way it end up. I don't like the mess that I'm making here at all. I feel like I was in elementary school again painting, but it ended up turning out okay. That's was so important. We might start it out one way, but it ended up turning out, the way that we wanted to. So, and that's what I'm doing here, getting some of this. It's too dark for me, so I'm getting a lot of it off of here. Okay, now we're getting it. All the boards have all been stained, and I'm going to now glue them together with, I dried them with my heat gun, and I'm just going to glue them all together with the hot glue and with my wood glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to do that, and I got these clips as well, which come out nicely for projects like this to hold together. And so I do get them all glued together. and I do like the way the colors came out. Some of it was a little darker than others, but when I put them together, I really liked them. Okay, and right here is the finishing of my boards. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.